So how exactly does our order connection work? How can our system synchronize with the orders from a marketplace to your shop? We don't just press a magic button that says synchronize orders and then the orders come in. Very simply put, what our system does is it talks to Amazon and tells it, hey, please give me a list of all your open orders. This only works because Amazon has an API endpoint that offers this data. This request is what is called an API request, and is a general example of how APIs talk to each other. The request is automatically sent out by our API endpoint to that of Amazon. So once we send this out to Amazon, we get a response from Amazon with all the specific order information for each order. In this case, it would only include the order of the jeans, and Amazon's response should include the Amazon order number, the product information, so the product ID, title, and EAN code, as well as the amount that was ordered, the price, and of course, the shipping and billing information. Now, what exact information is contained here is completely different from marketplace to marketplace, but the core information is always the same. We then interpret and reformat this data so that it is connected to the correct fields on Shopify and send it along to your shop system. Here, Shopify doesn't ask us for any open orders like we did with Amazon, but rather we just send a list of orders and tell your Shopify, here is the list. This is another kind of API request, a so-called post request, as compared to the previous GET request. The order now gets created in your Shopify backend, and you can update and handle it as you would normally. Here, it depends a little on which shop system you use. But for most shop systems, we make use of a so-called webhook. A webhook you can imagine as an SMS notification that is installed in your shop system and that triggers once a certain condition is met. The condition for the shipment update here is the changing of the status of the order from open to shipped. The webhook that is generated by, for example, Shopify already includes the necessary information that we need to send along to Amazon, like the track and trace code, as well as the new status of the order. This updates the order on Amazon, and Amazon sends your client an email that the order is on its way. Stock updates work very similarly with webhooks. Once an order is placed anywhere in your shop system, be it directly from your web shop or from Amazon, once the stock gets updated by the order on Shopify, a webhook is triggered and sends us the updated stock of this product. We then pass this updated stock along to all the channels that you have an active order connection with, so that the stock gets updated as quickly as possible.
We want to hear your questions on what you want to learn about. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button to learn more about e-commerce and all the aspects behind it. Join us at Channable.